it's been, well, there's been highs and lows. I lost my voice a couple of weeks ago, I don't know if you heard about that. So, anyway, but luckily, I feel I've been able, at least the Latin American shows, which is my favourite place to tour. I'm not just saying that. My voice was back for. So listen, we're going to do two more songs for you. The first song of these is one of my very unusual, catchy songs. I don't write catchy songs very often. You know, I have this kind of compulsion. If I write something that sounds like it might be like sing-along style, I have to go back into the studio and make it stupidly complicated and destroy any of the commercial viability it may have had. But there are exceptions, and this song I'm going to do for you now is kind of one of my sing-along ones. And the reason I say that is I'm going to ask you, please do sing along for the chorus at least. There's a point in the song where I'm going to ask you to sing it on your own, and I have to tell you that when we do this in places like Germany and England, sometimes I feel very foolish because I say, you, and it's complete, it's like a graveyard. It's sort of tumbleweed blowing through it. Don't usually have this problem in Latin America, and I'm sure you're not going to let me down, so please, when I ask you to sing along, please do. And then after this song, we're going to do what for me, I think is probably, it's my personal opinion, you may disagree, I think it's the best song I ever wrote. And then, after this song, we're going to bid you good night. Thank you very much for coming. Mr. Blundell, the catchy song. Here we go. Hear the sound of music drifting in the aisles. Elevator Muzak stretching on for miles. The music of the future will not entertain. It's only meant to repress and neutralize your brain. Don't get squeezed out. Edges get lost. Demography gives what you want. One of the wonders of the world is going down. It's going down, I know. It's one of the blunders of the world, but no one cares. No one cares anymore. Outside the music comes in silver pills, engineered to suit you, building cheaper thrills. The music of rebellion makes you wanna rage, but it's made a million